Okay, the bonus feature, we're going to swap out our brake pads as well. So you can see one side's a little thinner than the other side. They're getting down there. We're just putting the original OEM pads back in, fresh set. Got an 8mm bolt here at the bottom of the pads. You see it goes all the way through. Pads pretty much just drop out. You can see how it hooks on this pin at the back. There's still life left in those, but since we're going to do the scooter cannonball, we're going to go ahead and replace them anyway. I'll save these as a backup pair. Clean our pin there, clean our brake pistons. Just wiping the outside off and not getting too intensive. Purists will want to take these apart. Almost forgot. I like to apply some brake grease to the back of the pads where they fit up against the piston and these fingers. And this is a synthetic brake grease from Stay Lube. A little goes a long way. Probably been using the same tube for 10 years. I'm just going to smear a little on there. Keep it off the pad material, obviously. That just helps it slide around. Put just a tab on there as well. Wipe the flanges off a little. And you can see the little hook fits into that side. The other side. Fits in over the pin. Now, brake pistons are out a little bit right now. So we're going to need to spread them. There's various ways to do that. You want to do it carefully without damaging the brake pads. This will also make it easier for our should have cleaned the pin first, silly. Maybe I'll edit this or maybe not. Probably not. Again, clean pin. A nice amount of synthetic brake grease, which sounds like a misnomer, but it's a real thing. Higher temperature. Okay, anti-rattle shim back in. Our first pad. Our second pad, which drops right in if you spread those things apart the first time. And our pin goes right through. That holds those pads in place. Torque on this is not very high. I didn't look it up. I'm just going to snug it down. I'm not trying to put real leverage on it while it's in my hand. Okay, now we got fresh brake pads on. We're ready to go. Put the wheel on next.